Hi, it's Claire with another art journal video. Today I'm playing with some darkroom door goodies in my craft journal. I'm starting off adding some permanent red violet light onto the page using a dry brush. There's no gesso on this page at all, I'm just going straight in. Then I'm using this stencil from Darkroom Door. It is just called Circles. It's a great stencil. I love the way the pattern that it leaves behind is really, really cool. I'm starting off using Medieval, but then I did mix a bit of black in with it as well. So it is a metallic paint, so it does, even with the black mixed in, it does still have a little bit of a metallic look to it. So once that was dry, I then used this stencil from Darkroom Door, which is called Smile. Fabulous text stencil. There is another one in very similar to that, and they do leave a fantastic text pattern behind. So this is one of the postcards from the Enchanted Doors set, and because I'm going to use it as a tip-in, I'm going to try and paint the back to match the page that I've just created. So I'm doing exactly the same process on the back of the postcard as well, because this bit is going to be seen when it gets opened up. So then I'm using some washi tape, and I've managed to find one of the Dina Wakley ones that works quite well with the tones on the page. And you notice I just put a little bit of double-sided tape down on the back just before I put the second piece of washi tape down. That's because it doesn't always stick that brilliantly. Obviously, because of the nature of washi tape, it is designed to be able to be moved. So once that was firmly in place, I'm then using this stencil and mask set, also from Darkroom Door, and it's called Tall Flowers. And I'm just using some white paint, acrylic paint, excuse me, can't speak, through this stencil part, just to pop these flower images onto the page. The white works really well because it's a great contrast to the colours on the background. Then I'm just doing my usual trick with my Posca pen, bit of mark making, a few dots. I think I need to stop recording voiceovers now. I think I'm tired. And then somewhere to do my journaling in the middle. So this is where my quote was going to go. I'm just working out there where the words are going to be. And then making sure I dry those lines before I start writing. So I had a rough idea where the words were going to fit, so I kind of worked out that I wanted that one in the middle, and then I was going to fit the other words around. So sometimes it's a good idea to just map out in your mind where the words are going to go, and then that way there's less chance of running out of space when you get to your last word and you can't fit it on. And then once I'd done that, I just spent a bit of time doing some more mark making and doodling onto the page. And this is the part I really find lots and lots of fun. Just adding more dots and patterns onto the page. It just kind of, I don't know, I feel it helps the stenciling and the focal images to become more part of the journal page, more like they're meant to be there. And then I just stuck a little Tim Holtz picture, one of the vintage photos, in the corner, and that kind of just finished the page off really nicely. So here you can see there's the tip in, and the back of it just kind of matches with the rest of the page, and you've still got the image of the door there too. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon.